To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the Create Story option from your news feed. Select a photo or video as the background for your story. You can also choose a plain background if you prefer. You will then see a list of options on your right. Tap on the sticker icon at the top. A list of stickers will appear. Select the question sticker. Type the question you want to ask your audience. You can also tap the suggestion buttons to have Facebook fill in a template question for you. You can tap the colorful circle at the top of the screen to change the sticker to a different color. When you are ready to move on, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen. From here you can rotate, resize, and move the sticker around the screen to best fit your post. Once you are satisfied with your story, tap the Share button to post it. Your story has been updated. Check this out. Now your viewers can answer this question here. So in this way, you can use the question sticker on your Facebook story.